Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the picture mode on Sharp Android TV. To do it, you need to be first within some app or live TV. So I'm within YouTube right now, so as I said, either app or live TV. Then click on the menu button. If you're in live TV, this menu will look a little bit different. It will be colorful tiles at the bottom, but it doesn't matter because as soon as you go to the picture section, you'll be in this same exact mode as I am currently, in this same exact menu. So go to picture mode, and now you can set it to like standard. I'm gonna click on OK, or maybe vivid, or sport, and see whichever one you like, or set it to user and adjust all the settings yourself. I think I like it in sport mode though. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.